What's up, madlang people? To answer the question of Mark about Zoom G1X on plugged into a multimedia speaker. So I've got here JBL Flip, and it's a wireless one. The wire that you're seeing is the wire that will connect to Zoom G1X on. So all you need is an adapter so that your cable for your multimedia can be plugged to your Zoom G1X on. And then the good thing is this one can be used with battery, and this is also rechargeable. You can play your guitar anywhere. So I hope that answered the question of Mark about multimedia speakers. It's not that great. It's not that great sounding as a guitar amp, but it will do if you just jamming by yourself or practicing. So that's it, guys. See you later. Bye.